how to create a business email with Bluehost and then connect it to Gmail. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Bluehost and then simply click on email and office and then click on cPanel email. Then you're gonna have to select email accounts and then click on continue. Then simply click on create, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply enter the username, and then you're gonna have to generate a password, and here you can enter the storage space and then simply click on create, and that's all you have to do. Now after you do that, what you're gonna have to do next is simply connect your email to Gmail. So what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to simply go to Gmail, and then you're gonna have to open the settings by clicking the gear icon, and then you're gonna see all settings. So click on accounts and import and scroll down under the check mail from other accounts section, and then click on add a mail account, and then simply enter the email address that you just created from here. And then what you're gonna have to do next, for username, enter the full email address and then simply enter the password that you just generate. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.